First, click on Content Management, then click on News Items. Click on the Add New button. Enter the title of your news, for example, iPhone 15 inches or any other news title, then click the Generate Using AI button. Select the language for your news description. After that, enter the features and keywords. Then, specify the word limit. Then, choose the tone of voice. You will also see a special instructions field where you can add custom instructions. This is optional and can be left blank. Use this section to provide any specific requirements or additional details for better results. You can also mention the target audience or writing style if needed. Now, click on the Generate Using AI button. The system will start processing. You will be able to see the AI thinking and generating the content in the background. Please wait while the system prepares your content based on the information you provided. During this time, the system is analyzing your inputs, including the title, keywords, tone, and word limit, to create high-quality and relevant content. Within a few seconds, your content will be generated ready to use. Along with the Save and Copy to Clipboard buttons, you can save the content directly by clicking the Save button.